Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to the enchanting city of Venice, Italy. Today, I'm going to guide you through the top places you simply can't miss when visiting this magical city. So grab your gondola tickets and let's dive right in. First up, St. Mark's Basilica. This iconic cathedral is a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture adorned with dazzling mosaics and grand domes. You'll feel like you've stepped into a different era as you wander through its opulent interior. And don't forget to climb up to the terrace for a breathtaking view of St. Mark's Square. Next, we have the Grand Canal. This is the main waterway of Venice and is best experienced by taking a vaporetto or water bus. Glide past stunning palaces, historic buildings, and vibrant markets. Trust me, a sunset cruise on the Grand Canal is pure magic. Speaking of markets, you can't miss the Rialto Market. This bustling spot is a feast for the senses, with fresh produce, seafood, and local delicacies. It's the perfect place to immerse yourself in Venetian culture and pick up some delicious snacks. Now, let's head to the Rialto Bridge. This stunning stone bridge is one of the most famous landmarks in Venice. Stroll across it and enjoy the picturesque views of the canal and surrounding buildings. It's also a great spot for some souvenir shopping. Moving on, we have the Doge's Palace. This grand Gothic palace was the residence of the Doge of Venice and is a marvel of art and history. Take a guided tour to explore the opulent chambers, impressive art collections, and the eerie prisons. Crossing the Bridge of Sighs to reach the prison cells is an experience you won't forget. For art lovers, the Peggy Guggenheim collection is a must-visit. This modern art museum is housed in a beautiful 18th century palace on the Grand Canal. It features works by masters like Picasso, Dali, and Pollock. The tranquil sculpture garden is a lovely spot to relax and reflect. No trip to Venice is complete without exploring its charming back streets and hidden gems. Wander through the narrow alleys, stumble upon quaint squares, and discover local cafes and artisan shops. This is where you'll find the true heart of Venice. And of course, you have to experience a gondola ride. Yes, it's a bit of a cliche, but there's something undeniably romantic about gliding through the winding canals in a traditional gondola. It's the perfect way to see the city from a different perspective and create lasting memories. Lastly, don't forget to indulge in some Venetian cuisine. Try local favorites like risotto al nero di seppia or squid ink risotto and cicchetti, which are small snacks served in traditional bars. Pair your meal with a glass of Prosecco, and you've got the perfect Venetian dining experience. So there you have it, the top places you can't miss in Venice. Whether you're here for the history, the art, or the sheer beauty of the city, Venice has something to offer every traveler. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I hope you have an unforgettable trip. Until next time, happy travels.